I'm Natalie Chilaka. I'm an orthopedic surgeon. I specialize in orthopedic trauma care, so mostly fractures and sometimes major tendon ruptures. I also do some straightforward handwork, and I also founded and run the Osteoporosis Clinic. I really work over a large area of the body, so I do work from collarbones, shoulders, down to the wrist. And I also do work from the pelvis through the foot. A vast array of anatomy, and depending on the injury, you might have to get to different places of the same body area or body part with different approaches. My goal for patients is to restore their function to the greatest degree possible. I really enjoy the actual operations and repairing things and putting them together. One of the aspects of orthopedic trauma is that I think that there's a lot of room for creativity. There are certain principles of bone healing that will follow. Bone can heal in different ways, but every patient is unique. Every injury is going to have its own caveats to it. And when you're faced with complex and challenging situations, you need to do the best with what's there. And you can't change the injury that's happened, but you can try to make the best possible decisions and try to come up with sometimes creative solutions to achieve those goals of getting the extremity to heal and restoring function.